Hey everyone, Terry Wilson here, coming to you for pressfortruth.ca, and I'm joined by Nader Hassan, who just gave a delegation in the Peel Regional Council.
I'm here as legal counsel to Ms. Ciancino and her group, concerned residents of Peel, to end fluoridation. They've asked me to preview for this council some of the key legal arguments that we would bring were we to challenge the region's fluoridation program in court. The idea being that if we preview these legal arguments and show our hand, we could perhaps avoid a lengthy and costly legal fight in the courts.
How did you feel the delegation went, and was that the response you expected to get?
That was exactly the response we were expecting to get, and I thought it was well received. I think the council is now on notice that their program of water fluoridation in the region of Peel raises some serious legal concerns, including constitutional concerns.
There are essentially three legal arguments, three main headings under which we would proceed. The first is that the Ontario fluoridation program and the region's fluoridation program violates Section 7 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms because its harms are grossly disproportionate to its benefits. The second argument is that it violates an Ontario statute, the Safe Drinking Water Act, and the third argument is that it violates the Federal Food and Drugs Act.
So I think they're on notice of that, and I hope they'll continue to take us seriously.
Okay, so it went as you expected. Where do you see this going here in the near future? Is this going to be a long, drawn-out process, or is it going to be fairly quick?
Well, I think they're going to take a little bit of time. They need to get legal advice from their own lawyers. I'm, of course, a lawyer representing some concerned residents in Peel. They need to. City Council has its own lawyer, so they'll have to get legal advice from them. And then the ball is now in Council's court, and it's up to them to decide how to proceed. My clients have instructed me, hey, look, if we don't get anywhere with Council, we'll have to bring a court challenge. But you know, ideally, we would like for Council to take this issue seriously, to debate it seriously, and to listen to experts who have the available evidence.
Okay, and if everything goes well either way, either in Council or in court, could you see this being a landmark case that could be used as a template in other cities and municipalities?
It will have a tremendous precedential effect if it's successful here. Peel is a very large municipality in Canada. There have been other municipalities in Ontario who have defluoridated, but none as large as Peel. So it would be a tremendous precedent if we were successful.
Perfect. Well, I wish you the best of luck, and thank you for joining us.
Thanks for your time.